Please follow us on Instagram, link in description.
Hare Krishna. Today's topic is how to increase Krishna consciousness being a student. You may be anyone at any, because you may be at any different stages of Krishna consciousness. What does that mean? That means we are initially in a impure consciousness, then we purify our consciousness. At the top level, it is a Krishna consciousness, 24 hours Krishna consciousness. So how to improve? Now you may be on which level, I do not know. So, but on all level, one medicine works, and that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chant and listen to this mantra very, 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 very attentively. Don't miss a single word. That is the most important thing. You may be a student, you may be working somewhere, you may be doing anything. Learn how to attentively chant this Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. And also make yourself steady, determined, enthusiastic. And how do you do that? Know Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This knowledge will help you to not flicker, to be steady, to be determined. And we have got a 13 hours course for this, which is the gist of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Go to the link, givegita.com/Gita. I'm sure you'll like it. It'll be a paradigm shift in your life.